In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add any symbols in PDF Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you already have your PDF ready, great. Keep it handy. Once the app launches, you'll see the main workspace with the menu up in the top left corner. That's where we'll start. Go to the menu in the upper left and choose Open. This brings up your file browser. Navigate to the PDF where you want to add symbols, select it, and click Open. The file will load right away and appear in the main window so you can work on it. Now take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see an icon toolbar. This is a quick access area where Acrobat groups useful tools. We're looking for the option that lets you fill in form fields and add simple marks. Depending on your version, it may be labeled as fill and sign or show an icon that looks like a pen or a form. Click that to enter the mode where you can place ready-made symbols. Once you're in, you'll notice a small palette of symbol options. Acrobat provides practical marks you can add directly onto the page. A cross mark, a check mark, dots, a circle to highlight items, and a cross-out tool for striking through content. These are perfect for filling checkboxes, marking selections, calling attention to areas, or indicating something should be removed. To use a symbol, simply click the one you want. Your cursor will change to indicate it's ready to place. Move over the PDF and click exactly where you want the symbol to appear. If the placement isn't perfect on the first try, no problem. You can drag it to fine-tune the spot. Zooming in before you place a symbol can help with precision, especially on smaller checkboxes or tight layouts. If the symbol looks too large or too small, use the corner handles to resize it so it fits neatly. You can also place multiple instances of the same symbol by clicking again in different areas without switching tools. If you make a mistake, use undo to step back and try again. Continue adding the symbols you need, check marks for approvals, circles to highlight, dots for emphasis, and crossouts to indicate removal until everything looks right. When you're satisfied with the placement, you're done. Your PDF now clearly communicates the marks you intended, using Acrobat's built-in symbols without needing any custom fonts or complicated settings. That's it. You've learned how to open your PDF, access the form and mark tools, choose the right symbol, and place it accurately on the page.